मांडवी रिवेरियाचे भाडे भरूंक नाशिल्ल्यान गोंय पर्यटन खात्यान ही मालमत्ता आपल्या ताब्यात घेतल्या। फाटल्या 27 वर्सां पयलीं मांडवी हॉटेल आनी गोंय सरकारा मदीं 27 वर्सां मांडवी रिवेरिया लिजाची कबलात जाल्ली। ही कबलात एप्रिलांत सोंपली। त्या उपरांत मांडवी हॉटेलान ह्या जाग्याचे भाडे पर्यटन खात्याक दिवंक नाशिल्ल्यान पर्यटन खात्यान आपल्या मालकीची ही वास्तू आयज परत घेतल्या। पर्यटन खात्यान आयज मांडवी रिवेरियाक सील मारलो।
The Department of Tourism officials have gathered here to seal the premises, which is known as Panji Park property, which belongs to the Department of Tourism. 27 years back, Department of Tourism and Mandavi Hotels had signed the lease agreement. Okay, it was a period of 999, so total of 27 years. So in the last few years, Mandavi Hotels has failed to pay the lease rentals. So we have issued them various notices, and the lease agreement was terminated last April.